Hi, this is Catherine. I am so glad to see you again. Today's lesson is about how to make a reservation at the hotel. In today's lesson we will learn expressions that we use to make a reservation at the hotel. When we want to stay at the hotel we need to make a reservation first before going to the hotel. I will let with a conversation between two people about making a reservation at the hotel.
Good morning, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks. How can I help you?
I want to stay at your hotel and I would like to reserve a room.
Great. You are welcome.
How much are your rooms?
Our rooms start at $79 for a basic room. What date are you looking for?
I want a room from June 22nd to June 25th.
Thank you so much for calling us. We will register your reservation. See you then.
This was a dialogue between two women. One is willing to make reservation and the other is working at reception of the hotel. Both of them used vocabulary that we use at the hotel, like to make a reservation, room, date of reservation. Finally, I thank you a lot for watching our video. I hope you have learned how to make a reservation at a hotel in English. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video.